Hey everybody, today I'm really excited because I just received this projector stand for wearing purposes, and I think that it's really nice because, well, first of all, as you can see, it comes with a carrying bag, and well, let me take everything out of it. It's a projector stand that you can set it up outside, indoors, or wherever you need it, so you can, well, see any kind of movies, okay, which I think that it's perfect. Comes the proper screen in this bag. It's a black drop screen, okay. On one side it's black and on the inside it's white. We're gonna use the white side so we can watch our projector, our movies, or anything that we are gonna see, which I think that it's really nice. We have in here the instruction manual. It's a 120 inch screen, and it comes with all the tripod stands and corners connection to use it, which I think that it's really nice. All the important information and everything. Let me take everything up and I'm gonna assemble it up and see how it looks. Okay, we have some cords in here. And all the stuff that we're gonna make sure that it's secured up on the stand. And the third, these stakes, we just place them in and with the cords secure it tightly. This is one of the tripod stands. We can extend it. This, as you can see, this is one, and here we get another. We get all the tubes that we are gonna need, as I've said, and well, that's everything comes included. Let's go ahead and assemble it up. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, the proper setup, it's really easy. The instructions are really user friendly for a effortless setup with just a few steps. All the pieces are detachable, so you don't require any kind of tools for disassembly, and the tripod stands open swiftly, so that way you can use them almost instantly when you set it up. It also has a black backing design, prevents any kind of backlight interfering for a superior image sharpness and color authenticity, which I think that it's perfect. Also, this portable projection screen can be easily packed into the lightweight carrying case, so you can transport it anywhere that you need it, which I think that it's really great. I think that you could use help to assemble it up. Doing by yourself can be a little bit tricky, but overall, I think that it's nice. As I've said, it doesn't take that long to set it up. You can choose if you want it almost up on the floor, or if you want to set it up a little bit higher, depending of where you wanna use it or how you want to use it, which I think that it's nice. Its 25mm stands ensure a stable structure even in outdoor use, and the windproof roads ensures stability even in windy conditions, which I think that it's nice. Okay guys, and as you can see, now it's already installed, and I think that it's perfect to use it when you're outdoors doing anything with your friends outside, and it feels of an amazing quality. As I've said, it's perfect that it's a black drop screen, because that way the color looks more colorful when it's with the projector screen, and I think that it's really nice overall, because as you could see, it's easy to assemble. All the pieces just connect themselves, and the screen, it's really nice. As I've said, it's of 120 inches. I think that it's really nice. I like that it comes with the stakes, so you can place it upon the ground, and overall, because as I've said, it's really nice. You can set it up from different heights if you need it. It's really great. Obviously, you need a projector to use it with it, but overall, it's really nice, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.